Now other girls to the left, island girls to the right. Cause to the right, Pauhana dance all night. Other girls to the left, island girls to the right. Cause to the right, Pauhana dance all night. Woman, 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 yeah. Are you ready? This one dedicated to all my island girls. Wind your body. Rough boy remix.
Island girls, wanna treat them like a queen.
Treat them like a queen, nah.
Treat them with respect and dignity.
With respect and dignity.
Island girls, keep them where they are free.
Keep 'em right here,
Right next to their brothers, the island king.
Here we go with the flow.
Let me have a tell you about my island. Sweet as pecan in a cool cool. Deep in my heart, she on my foundation. Every single day she on me number one.
Ask you a question. Can you come my side and play in the water, and take a stroll in the moonlight? Can I ask you a favor? Can you keep me company? Because forever in my kingdom, you'll be my island queen, Lord.
Let me grant on your island wishes tonight, girl. Cool woman, no need for no fuss, no fights. Why, yo, yo, yo. If you're the kind that get caught up in the things like fancy clothes and a diamond ring, believe me, miss, you're not my island girl. No, you ain't, baby.
Island girl, I treat her like a queen. I treat her with respect and dignity. Island girl, I keep them where they ought to be. Right next to their brothers, the island kings.
You ready? Big up to Tahitian girls, a big up to Fijian girls, a big up to New Zealand girls, a big up to Samoan girls, a big up to a Tongan girls, a big up to Chamorro girls, a big up to Hawaiian girls, a big up to our island girls.
Island girl, I treat them like a queen. I treat them with respect and dignity. Island girl, I keep them where they ought to be. Right next to their brothers, the island kings.
Let me have a tell you about my island. Sweet as pecan in a cool cool. Deep in my heart, she on my foundation. Every single day she on me number one.
Ask you a question. Can you come aside and play in the water, and take a stroll in the moonlight? Can I ask you a favor? Can you keep me company? Because forever in my kingdom, you'll be my island queen, Lord.
Let me grant all your island wishes tonight, girl. Cool woman, no need for no fuss, no fight. Why, yo? If you're the kind that get caught up in a thing like fancy clothes and a limousine, believe me, miss, you're not my island girl. Oh, no, no.
Island girl, treat them like a queen. I treat them with respect and dignity. Island girl, I keep them where they ought to be. Right next to their brothers, the island kings.
Let me break it down, Pahana style. Big up to Tahitian girls, big up to Fijian girls, a big up to New Zealand girls, a big up to Samoan girls, a big up to a Tongan girls, a big up to Chamorro girls, a big up to Hawaiian girls, a big up to our island girls.
Island girl, treat them like a queen. I treat them with respect and dignity. Island girl, I keep them where they ought to be. Right next to their brothers, the island kings.
Now all my girls to the left,